to MG Tracy in London today. We're having a look at the latest addition to the Tassimo range. It's the COSTA Americano. So if you're watching in the States and use this system, Starbucks is no longer available on the Tassimo system. They've gone their own way, so we now have the UK's leading brand. COSTA has done the Americano. So I quite like this pack because it has 16 pods in it. There's no milk, obviously, for an Americano, which means basically you get 16 coffees for the price of a pack, rather than with all the lattes and cappuccinos, you only actually get 8 cups of coffee. So this is just truly awesome. So let's open up the pack and I'll show you what a COSTA Americano looks like. Okay, so we've got 2 boxes in there. Pod out here. Well, there we go. Okay, so you'll need this type of glass for your Americano. This makes it look really the business. First, just need to pull out the bottom part of the Tassimo. We're not going to use that this one. You need all the height. Make sure you've got some fresh water in the tank at the back. Okay, we'll put our pod in. It almost looks as though there is a milk on the top because it has a white top to the Americano. So you start off with a really intense dark coffee, and if we were filming in smelly vision, you'd be smelling that amazing aroma of COSTA coffee. And as we work our way through the drink, so the intensity dies down, but you see what I mean? It almost looks like that is a latte or something with milk, but that is all just coffee going through the coffee pod. Really getting the hit of coffee smell now. Absolutely wonderful. So in the UK, these packs are about £3.50 to £4. If you're buying them in the States, they're normally around $4.50 in dollars. You may find the brands are slightly different in the States on the system. But how appetising does that look? It's almost pouring there like a pint of Guinness. I think I might just top that up a little bit there. So hold the button just to top it up. If you've got a slightly larger cup, you can just fill it up there. Stop before you need it, because that's going to run through the system now. So if you look at my channel, you'll find how to descale your Tassimo and how to make the best hot chocolate. There's lots of other videos, so hopefully you find that useful. This one is the new COSTA Americano. I think it's pretty good. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. If you get a chance to thumbs up and like this video, that'll be wonderful. See you next time. It's Paul signing out from London.